Hi there, I wanted to show you this 2-pack of outdoor wall lights that I received in exchange for an honest review. These have a dusk to dawn sensor, so they automatically turn off when it's daytime and turn on when it is dark. That's going to help save money, especially because we tend to forget to turn off the porch lights. Because these are LED lights, they're energy saving with an estimated cost of only $1.57 for the entire year. These are 3600 lumens and use 30 watts. They also have a 10-year lifespan. These are going to be perfect for around your garage, your porch, a warehouse, or a garden. These are also weather resistant, sleek look that they have. I definitely recommend checking them out.